Well, good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. I haven't posted in a while, but we got some work to do today, so we're going to get started here shortly. As you can see, car's up on the new Vivor lift, which actually works fantastic, and a couple other things I don't know if I've shown you or not. You can see I've changed out the tail lights. We've got the Vette lights smoked kit, which includes the tail lights, marker light, and the front light. We've also got our night drive TV headlights installed, and a Veram cold air intake, which opens this area up and makes it a factory, kind of like a ram air setup. But the reason why the car's up on the list today is because of this beer, which I've unpacked, but you can see what it says. Yes, I ordered Billy Boat exhaust. I've got the bullet set up with the black tips based on the theme of the car, with, you know, the maroon and everything smoked, and black wheels and the black top and the black spoiler. So I got powder coated black tips with the bullet exhaust. So today we will be installing that. It's early in the morning. My wife's already gone for the day, so might as well just get started. We're going to rip the old exhaust out and put the new exhaust in. I do have some sound clips of before, and I will get some sound clips of after, and we'll compare the two. So stay tuned. So I forgot to mention this is an axle back kit. So it's after the cats at the end of the H pipe. But here is the factory exhaust removed. You can see how big the mufflers and everything are on that. I had to cut the mufflers so that I have enough room to swing the pipes up and over the axles, because my lift doesn't go high enough. And the Billy Boat kit is a 2 kit. So now that everything's removed, I'll clean up all the flanges, get all the old gasket material off, get that all cleaned up, and then we'll start reassembling the new stuff. So we'll be back. All right, new exhaust is installed. It was pretty quick. There's one side. That cavity is where the big mufflers sit right there. Goes up and over the axle, bolts in right there, comes with all new flanges into the H pipe. And I opted for the powder coated black tips. That's what you see. Old system's right there. So now we'll get it down on the ground and see what it sounds like. I gotta finish cleaning up some tools real quick, and then we'll get her down. Hold on. Well, it definitely sounds different. I'm gonna get cleaned up and put stuff away and get the lift out from underneath the car and go take it for a test drive and see how it does. So we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. I'll kind of update you when I get back from the test drive. Well, I just got back from the test drive. It is definitely louder. Wife is not gonna like it. I did have a couple RPM ranges where I did have a little bit of a drone. They're doing road construction out here, so I couldn't really get up to like 70, 75. But overall, not bad at cruising speeds. It's going to be something I'll have to get used to, so we'll run it a couple hundred miles and see how it goes. But for now, I like it. I can't put the stock back on because I cut it in half, but so it's going to have to stay on. So we'll see what happens. But so far, easy installation, went quick, easy to follow instructions, full color pictures, everything. So the packaging was really good too. My only complaint was it took 8 weeks to get it. So if you're going to order something like that, just be prepared ahead of time. So thanks for watching. We'll see you later.